Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable or remap your keyboard keys on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our Windows, and from here what we're going to do in order for us to disable or remap the function of our keyboard keys is simply going into Microsoft Store and going into installing this app right here, which is called Sharp Keys. So all you have to do is go here and type in Sharp Keys right here, and you can see the app right here. So you want to click on it, and as you can see, it's right here, and make sure that you have installed this app in your system right here. Make sure it's installed, and once you have done that, you will now close your store, and then from here you want to go into your Microsoft Start menu, and from here you want to go and open your Sharp Keys, or if you can find it in your desktop right here, then you can also do that, but just open your app, your Sharp Key app, and click on OK. And now we have the Sharp Keys, and then from here what we're gonna do in order for us to add a function or maybe disable a key is click on add right here, and from here you want to choose your key right here that you want to modify or you want to disable. So for me, let's say I'm gonna go for the for the keys right here, let's say the O key right here, and I want its function to be, maybe if you want to disable it, just select this one right here, turn key off. In this way you won't be able to use the O key anymore. Or if you want to modify the function, so let's say we want the mute one. So in this case, if I would save this feature right here, it would mean that every time I press the O button, it would mute the media right here, because this is now its function. And then all you have to do is just simply click on OK once you're done. And once you're done with everything right here, if you have no more keys to add right here in which you want to modify or disable, then you can click here on write the registry to finalize the effect right here. And after that, you would need to restart your computer by clicking here on your start menu and go in here and click on restart right here. And remember that you can always add more right here if you want to, but in my case it will just like this, and click onto write into registry and then restart your computer. It's as simple as that, but in my case I'll not be doing that because my keyboard keys are working fine. I don't want to modify it. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.